again, any competitor to the 500 hot street, please report to the staging area. All right, green light, green flag. For Richard Wilkerson, 2005 Chevy 2500. Oh, sounded like maybe either got under the boost or went into limp mode almost. Once again, he is the test puller, so he will have the option to take his pull or come back later on in the class. Race out here on the track. Second attempt there, 3:15.55. 3:15.55 at 28 mile an hour. Are we ready, Temple? All right, on your marks, get set, go! Come on, I know you can run faster than that, come on! Cheer them on, fans! Looks like... Nice job! And the kids just keep on running. All right, get them, kids, get them!
I just covered up the check.
Yeah. We gotta be able to go pulling. We can hold up on that shore.
Well, he's built fast. He's got it. I don't know, like it might have hit the rev limit or caught something right there. 302.92. 302.92 at 24.8 mile an hour.
Bill Witt here with Travis Hudson. We're going to talk a little bit about street diesels. All right, we got a resurgence of the street diesels. A lot of people weren't coming out. We had some old school classes that went by the wayside, the run what you run, some other things. Tell me right now about the climate of the street diesel.
So the street diesel class right now is really surprised a lot of people. It's come on strong in the last couple of winters we've had. This in particular was just a street diesel. And there's a couple hot trucks that usually run an 8500 class that are running tonight. So hopefully we can keep bringing these guys out, get them out here. I think Warren we had 12. So the goal is 15 to 20. I know it's a long shot, but we're swinging for the fences.
Why is this class so relatable to the average truck pulling fan today?
So this class particularly, a couple of guys and I got together. We were going to the regular street diesel pulls, and we were knocking out. I got up the tempo myself, and I was like, we need to get a class together that's got pretty much everybody in it that runs that has around the tempo. We're not a street level horsepower truck, but we're not, we're not quite that dedicated to the vehicle. So we're in that median. So I feel like that is the option median is perfect. And all these trucks may have anywhere from 800 to 1,000. Some even have 400. So it's a good field of trucks, and I'm sure you can watch Orange was. I mean, that was awesome. That was a show, and that right there is a stepping stone for something bigger. Right? These guys don't just sled pull. I know several guys that run with us the drag racing trucks. They sled pull on the weekends. They dyno their trucks. They run on the farm with their trucks. I mean, these trucks are just like a street truck, but they've got a little bit more sauce.
Exactly.
Yeah. So we've got Berryville coming up. Berryville is going to be a run what you run event. They're allowing hanging width. So we are going to pretty much, the 8,500 guys are going to go up there that are usually running, and we're going to run in Berryville. next weekend, and then the weekend after we've got the Southern Showdown. Now the Southern Showdown we're going to run Friday and Saturday night. I was told that we can run both nights, so the goal is to get as many guys out there. The bigger the show we put on, the more invites we're going to get to come to pull in.
And we're calling that a Virginia tradition, the Southern Showdown. It's become one of the marquee events in Virginia. Thanks, Travis Hudson. Thank you.
You can go to www.dragonpools.com. That's www.dragonpools.com, or you can find them on Facebook at Dragon Motorsports. Right out of power there. 231.49. 231.49. But right now, Steven Garnett, 2011 GMC. Not bad for the GMC. 289.18. 289.18. All right, green light, green flag. Brandon Smoot, 2001 Chevrolet. Listen to this speed, 30.1 miles an hour. Boy, he was hauling the mail. Poore, the sleep around Dodge. Final guy in the class, John Looney, 2007 Chevy Duramax. Nice job, 316.96, 316.96. Speed is 28.5 mile an hour. With Brandon Smoot. Second place goes to Eddie Poore. And rounding out the top three was the guy that just ran, John Looney.